Come on, girls!
Are you a part of the culture?
It's so picture taking time. Okay, life must go on. We need to work on schoolwork. Yeah, we were not the same people yesterday night, but we are back to being responsible. Balance, baby. Move to France, please. Oh my God. Too young, too times to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. Show you go on. The funny of the broken one, and I'm the only one who needed saving. Hey, stop. We just got fast food. It's because of her. She wanted it, not me.
You just wanted chicken wings.
Yeah, and now I have all of this. Of course I was gonna play. What do you expect? Aniek. We're vintage shopping with Aniek. We got some goods. Yes. The selection wasn't that good, but we were still successful. Good luck. I think you get like ink on your hand. I need those
So this is a really personal secret.
And we are off to Marseille. We just had brunch, really nice. A random guy walks up to us, goes in the middle, and he's like, this is Aniki's idea, not mine. I want that to be very clear. My inner child moment. You Now our AIX FILES has come out. Yeah, and now we're the only ones left. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a kid's drawing table, and we're the only ones here with our AIX FILES. Talent. Very demure.
Very nice.
Very cute. Ah, let's go.
You see to get.
Oh, I'm sure we put. Ah, there's our amazing work, guys. This was all we needed. And we are off to our next museum stop. The museum was a little disappointing, but at least the trust looks cool. So let's go. Here. I like this way more than the museum itself. Okay, our first one in a while. Hi. I don't know when I stopped talking to the vlog, but today I'm probably gonna be wrapping up like this week's vlog. Today we're gonna be going climbing, so that's why a very sporty fit. But after which, tonight I have a flight to Barcelona because I'm going to be visiting my friend Ines in Barcelona, so I'm probably just going to be another vlog. But today let's go climbing and then we can close off this vlog. We are currently in the full part of, at least as full as it can be in the south of France. It's like 20-ish degrees, not too warm, not too cold. Yes, I'm mumbling, but what I wanted to say really quickly, we're going climbing with some of our classmates, after which I'm going to be heading to Barcelona, which will be a separate vlog. But yeah, see you. Okay, we're ending up at Decathlon Village because the other place was too childlike. Transition. We're off. Trust me, I regret coming. That's what I regret right now. Come on, Daphne. Show us how to climb trees. Go down. Can I ask for? Can I ask for a little twerk? Woo! Okay, we're taking a break. We've been actually doing great. She's a professional. She's a professional. She just goes like a dead body.
You are too. The zip lines at the end you were doing it.
The zip line are nice, but these things are quite painful. But you're doing great.
Cheers, guys.
Okay. How was it? It was actually fun.
What? Okay, go Remy.
Woo! That's too easy for Remy.
Yeah, for Remy this is like
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, the small shout. That's cute. Oh, you're doing it perfectly. Oh God.
confident.
Confident.
It's the longest we've done so far.
I almost myself before you started.
No. We're doing the black path. The harder. No, not the harder.
The second hardest. And I think my last one.
No.
Okay.
I mean,
maybe.
Jesus Christ, let's go.
Come on, girls! Oh no! That's coming! Little jump! Almost that. Come on! No, man, what the fuck? That's too easy for him. See, I chickened out. I'm chilling here. They're over there struggling. I swear this thing is way harder than it looks. Like way, way, way